So I'll walk you through the summary quickly here. There seemed to be a need for constant adjustment and flexibility during the entire process of qualitative research. I also noted that SurveyMonkey is cool, especially now with the analysis components that they've really updated and added in. Coding is a process of elimination, and once I realized that there's room for creativity in the presentation of data analysis, I could really wrap my brain around it. And I would definitely focus on continuity in my research the next time I attempted to do this, particularly between data methods. I think it's also important to vary research sites, and I would have preferred to widen my pool of participants for the survey. And in the end, I'm happy that my topic falls someplace under advocacy for the arts and equity for all students, because that's really the underlying theme and motivation I have in the entirety of this program. So thank you for following me through this. I have one last slide for you.